Hello, my name is Teray from Dental Dynamic Staffing. First, I'd like to thank you for filling out your payroll request form and forwarding the onboarding email to your payroll applicant. Our goal is to make this as streamlined as possible. Once your payroll applicant completes their onboarding, they are ready to move on to step 3 in the payroll process, electronic timesheets. I am here to show you a quick tutorial on how to approve electronic timesheets. After the employee works, they will submit their time electronically. Once they submit their time, an email will automatically generate to you with their days, their times, and 2 buttons to either approve or reject. Once approved, it will go to Payrolling for us to process. Once rejected, it will go back to the employee for them to correct, and this process will happen all over again. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial on how to approve electronic timesheets. We are excited to have you as a loyal partner. Remember to never cancel patients. We are always here to help. Contact us if you need anything at 440-481-3131. Thanks. Bye.